Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dona and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. And if this is your first time of seeing this Omali-chanwa, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know the drill. I really love and appreciate you all. Thank you for returning and thank you for subscribing. In today's video, I want to start a new vlog, and in today's vlog or video, I will be taking you guys to a day in my life. I have some errands to run, so I'm like, okay, let me bring my people along. So I'm going to the market. So I have some errands I want to run. So I said, let me take you guys along. See the way I tie my scarf. So I want to go to the market. I have an order. Okay, I have an order. I want to just get the hair, but the customer says she don't want me to send out the hair, so I should just keep it, that she will buy more. Okay, so I want to do that. I want to buy an extension. I want to buy oats for my mom. Then I want to paint my toenail. Before I forget, I'll be going for my photo shoot tomorrow and I'll be bringing you guys along, of course. So I want to paint my toenail for that. I've washed my clothes I'll use for my photo shoot, and the weather is kind of gloomy and I'm scared. Fingers crossed. I just pray it was a rain, because if it's rain, it's going to spoil a lot of things for me. Tomorrow is my photo shoot for my book, so I don't want anything to happen to my clothes and my shoes. I'm going for my photo shoot tomorrow. Of course, I'll bring you guys along. So I washed my clothes and I'm praying. I don't want it to rain, because I want to do that photo shoot tomorrow, and I'm done with all this and face other things I need to do. So let me just take you guys along with me and stop rambling. It's already 3 minutes. So follow me in a day in my life. Okay. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the next morning, of course. No, after I went to the salon, I know the last clips you saw when I went to the salon to make my toes. I went to the market, then I had other errands which include the salon was the last place I dropped. After when I got home from the salon, I just slept. I'm a bad YouTuber. See, my face is so white. It's the light. So right now, I'm planning on photo shoots for my book. You have watched the video now. Of course, if you have not watched the video, you go and watch for my ISBN. That was my journey to getting my ISBN and the rest of it. You know when I went to the printer. So right now I'm having my photo shoot. Right now I'm in the studio and I want to have my photo shoot for my book, and that is why I'm all glammed up. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated as I'm doing this video. So I just want to keep you guys updated, and I'm going to put behind this thing, of course, and that will be it. Okay, I just want to use it before I remove this hair because the gum is already lifting. I did some touches to this hair. I hope you can hear me because if you are playing music and don't want to stop. I hope you can hear me. I did some touches to this hair. I need a camera. I will just save towards it because I'm always using my phone to film. And my face is looking ashy, but it's the light. So let me just stop talking and rambling and let me just get to my photo session. Okay, I'll chat with you guys later. Well, say hi to my vlog. Well, say hi to my vlog. So they're the one taking me on my photo shoot session, and I'll insert the behind the scenes of our senator. It's nothing much, it's just for the front of my cover, so it looks like it's giving that energy. Okay, so see you guys soon.
Many haters. I'm not you. Wine for your guy. Tell me with you, define for your life. My love fair broke, make a fight for your life. Rolling with me, make a roll you as I like. Me rolling more, roll you to set. Every man want to open bonnet. No fit give, but you want to collect. Better girls cast like a cassette. Mama let, don't you forget. Me I be cocky, but now I dey bash. I don't dey fall. Ticket, Bakasi Cosino, me no effects. You don't need to introduce yourself. Michael Jackson thriller, you are bad. If I see you for that cafe tell, get the way that your body they burn. Girl, I just want me over. Girl, I just want me over. Girl, I just want me to chill like ice water. Me on my pushing way body. Spending my paper. After tonight, I go like today. See you later. Person now vendetta against me.
Hello guys, I just got home right now. So I'm very tired. I want to eat and I want to watch TV. I'll just close out the vlog here, but I might be adding more videos. I don't know. Hope you can hear me. There's somebody hitting something and it's just disturbing. Hope you can hear me. I just want to close out the vlog. Please like, comment and share. See, this YouTube something is not easy. Please like, comment, share. You know the drill now. Yeah, now you guys see, stay safe out there, and okay, have fun and stay safe out. Okay. I'm supposed to look here. Look here. Just stay safe out there. Don't mind me. I'm tired. You can talk for my voice. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Oh. dry nuts. Why this one is for anything, and it's plastic. Then it has this stick. So this is what I have from the tiger nut. So this tiger nut I bought half half model, as in half paint, half paint, and it's for 1,000 naira. And this is all I get. I know if I press this thing more, I'm going to see more, and I don't want to add more water to it. I want it to be very thick. See how thick it is. I want it to be very thick. See how thick it is. So I'm going to strain it twice though. So I don't have much rubbers for this. I'm going to just transfer some here. Empty can bottle first. Then I'm planning on using some to make smoothie this night. Now I'll just put it in the fridge. Don't know if you can hear me. I said I don't have much rubbers cans for this tiger nut. I don't need to be this much, but if I transfer the ones I can transfer here, I'll use the rest. I'll do smoothie now. But I'll look for mocha. Basically, I saw these fruits, this cucumber inside my fridge, and I don't want it to get bad. So this is the final look. Let's see. I'm going to have it first. It's so creamy.